Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades, and yep, let's just get into it. Right now we can see that Bitcoin is back to $40,611, so getting some nice upside right now, as we can see on market cipher B, getting a nice green dot right here printed on the daily time frame. So if we do get some upside, now would be the time, but again, I still expect to see some significant resistance coming in at 41,400 or 500 basically, and after that some resistance around 42,800. Excuse me, a burp there. So well, people always say in the comments when I burp, it's bullish burp, so hopefully we're gonna get some upside. But right now we could take a look at some shorter time frames. Things are looking quite good. Money flow starting to come back up, from the red. We haven't crossed back into the green money flow yet on the 4 hour. 1 hour I believe is starting into the green. Yep, looking quite good at the moment. We are getting some bullish numbers, but I definitely want to see the larger time frames turn it significantly more bullish. As you can see right now, we have a 14 and a -1, so potentially some upside on the 12 hour, but I like to look at the daily and the weekly. Again, the weekly, we had that big red diamond before, extremely bearish, but now it's looking a little bit better, 16 and a -5. I still ultimately believe Bitcoin is going to cross into the red money flow on the weekly time frame. We did get very close back in early March, and if we didn't cross it, we had that beautiful pump from, let's take a look here, I believe it was 34,500 or 34,400 all the way to 48,000. So Daniel in our Discord had longed this, and he signaled his alert to long, and it was a beautiful 390% gain for him because he was using 10 leverage. Again, right now I myself am in a couple of trades. I'm not going to share them because if you guys want to see them, you guys can join the Discord, or you can join the Telegram alert channel where I post my trades. So if you guys just want to see the trades, you guys can join the Telegram alert channel, but if you want to see both for stocks and the cryptocurrencies ones, you guys can join the Discord, but it's a little bit more expensive. And right now, again, we didn't get quite to our levels that I was looking for, around 39,400, which comes in line right here with this green trend line. I was expecting a touch point coming to 39,400, but we got pretty damn close to that. We got to 39,500. Again, I didn't enter any trades in Bitcoin right now. I'm in a couple other trades and holding them for the time being, but if we do get some upside in Bitcoin and we break 41,500, you're gonna want to take a look at 43,000 right here, or basically this midpoint on this big bear flag. I am assuming it is a bear flag for the time being, but if we keep going towards the upside and we break that 200-day moving average, which is right here, and we break this white trend line as well, and we retest it as support. So this is also another scenario which is very possible that we've bottomed out here and it's only upside from here. We're going to make a new all-time high. I won't discount that, but if we do break this right here and we retest that as support, then I will definitely see to it that we could definitely potentially make an all-time high. The only reason that I'm very bearish right now is given current market conditions, a rising interest rate environment. You guys can take a look at the NASDAQ, the S&P 500 selling off very hard. That last trading day on the Thursday, down 2.25%. A very big down day for the Dow Jones and the NASDAQ. The S&P 500 and the NASDAQ. The Dow Jones was the one that withered like most of the storm, was down the least. But right now, you guys want to take a look what's going on in the economy. We have record levels of debt. We've never seen so much debt, and then we've never seen such low rates. And now that inflation is such a high, big problem, they're forced to raise the rates, even though they don't want to, because they know that they won't be able to service the debt, and mortgages are going to rise as well, which is going to decrease the standard of living and increase the cost of living. It's just going to be very bad once this bubble pops. It's very sad to see that the government is running a business like they have an unlimited, a credit card with no limit on it. That's basically how the government is run at the moment. If every business was allowed to run like that, then there would be no, eventually all businesses would fail, because they could just keep borrowing and borrowing, but the banks would fail, right? So that's just not how you're supposed to run a business. The government's running a business like they can print infinite amount of money and just spend, and then never pay it back. Like how is that supposed to work? It's like if we start issuing loans at the bank and told people, yeah, you don't need to pay it back, you could just borrow more. Isn't that a problem? The lenders would go out of business. They would never get paid back. Anyways, moving on. Right now, Ethereum, if we do see some upside on Ethereum, we're going to take a look at 3160 as resistance, and after that, 3411. And Ethereum right here as well, you can see we have a beautiful trend line coming in right here. Again, we did break it, retested it twice as resistance. So if we do come back up, you guys can take a look at 33.45, which would be a nice area to take some profits. Anyways, guys, thanks for listening. Gonna come out with some new merch sponsored by BitGet in my website. So if you guys want to take a look at that, you can. Again, thank you very much. We're at 9,130 subscribers. Once we get to 10,000, we're gonna do that giveaway. But again, remember, only Discord members can win. So unfortunately, we did raise our prices lately. So if you did manage to get in before it was paid, or when it was still free, or before we raise our prices, and good for you, you're going to be able to get cast into the winnings for that $1,000. Anyways, guys, thanks for listening. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace. If you guys haven't already, you guys can sign up for BitGet training. Links in the description. Help support the channel.